Hey, let me show you the best features of Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation. What I really like about this device is that you can actually get the same functions on your iPhone, but also on your Android device. So as you know, on AirPods, you actually cannot get access into most of the features. But here for Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation, you've got dedicated app where you can actually use almost every feature. The one thing that I'm not sure about is the heart rate. So currently when I'm tapping here, it's not measuring my heart rate. And also if I try to get some information about supported device and apps for Android, it doesn't show me anything. So I believe that in the future, Apple is gonna fix this. So yes, on this device in this place, on the second one also, we can find the heart rate sensor. And it's actually measuring this heart rate every time when you are wearing your device, every 5 seconds. And on iPhone, you can find this heart rate measurement when you open health application, go into show all health data, and here you can check your heart rate. And in this place, you can get updates every 5 seconds. Also in this device, we can find noise cancellation mode and transparency mode. You can also wake up Siri if you want. And now when we are on this press and hold thing, then right here we've got 2 buttons. The first one, it's available on the left, and the right one, it allows you to change volume level. But the second one, it's hidden right here under B icon, and it allows you to answer phone calls, end phone calls, mute and unmute microphone. But also if you are listening to some media, you can single tap to play or pause. You can double tap to change song. You can turn next song. And when you triple tap, you will turn previous song. Also, if you are not using heart rate sensor, you can switch this off and it will increase the battery lifetime. There's also an automatic ear detection that you can turn on and off. We got access into the spatial audio and head tracking. And here we can even select which microphone you want to use, the left or the right one. In box, you can also find 4 different sizes of ear tips. Get 5 as a default, you've got medium size on your Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation. You can also use noise cancellation with 1 earbud. And here you can find case sound. So you'll get prompts when you are in the pairing mode or, for example, resetting this device. And this is it. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.